Namaskara. Okay. In this video, we'll see what is isoenzyme. Student, what is isoenzyme? Please tell me. Enzyme, you all know. Enzyme is something that catalyzes the biochemical reaction. We have a biochemical reaction, and that biochemical reaction speed increased. It will be speed up by some proteinaceous molecule. Then that proteinaceous molecule is called isoenzyme. That proteinaceous molecule is called enzyme, right? So enzyme are those proteins, they are those biomolecule who catalyzes the biochemical reaction, right? They speed up the reaction, they increase the speed of reaction. Question is that what are the isoenzyme? Isoenzymes are, isoenzyme is a group of enzyme. Generally we all know that each enzyme have their own substrate and they will convert into product. But if I have one reaction, suppose, where x is converting into y, right? X is substrate and y is product. So if a group of enzyme that convert x into y, that converts substrate into product, that group of enzyme is called isoenzyme. So isoenzymes are group of enzyme that catalyzes one chemical reaction, right? This isoenzyme, if you'll see, like if I have one, if I have a isoenzyme, suppose I have isoenzyme I, okay. If I have a enzyme I and it have three isoenzyme I1, I2, I3. So this I1, I2 and I3 are encoded by different genes present at the different location. Don't think that it will be coded by one gene whose allele code 1, allele will code 2 and another allele code 3. No, they will, they will encoded by different genes only. Their locus on the chromosome is different, and if you'll see their amino acid sequence, that will be also different. Yes, their amino acid sequence, they are proteins, right? So in this proteins, the amino acid sequence is also different. Fine. As for example, we lactate dehydrogenase. So lactate dehydrogenase, is a very important enzyme that convert pyruvic acid into lactic acid. That lactate dehydrogenase have 6 isoenzymes. That all 6 isoenzymes have same function. They will convert lactic acid into pyruvic acid. Then we have creatine phosphokinase. Creatine phosphokinase, is an enzyme present in our muscles, and what it do, it actually it's used for production of the it's used for production of the energy. Now this cpk, creatine phosphokinase, have three variants: cpkmb, cpkmm and cpkbb. This cpkbb, is present only in our neural tissues. Okay, cpkmm present in our muscles and cpkmb present into the heart actually, right? So that all have same function. They will be used, they will, what they will do, they will convert phosphate creatine into creatine, and when the phosphocreatine will lose its phosphate group, they will produce some energy, and that energy will be used by muscle instantly. Fine. So this is what isoenzyme for you all. If you want to explore this topic in detail, then please go to my Hindi channel. See you in next class. Bye.